Today I will tell you a story. When I was a small kid, we went to Harike, the bird sanctuary. It was a beautiful day. We walked through the dense forest. The weather was also very good. There were greenery everywhere. I could breathe fresh air. We reached the bird sanctuary. Different species of birds come here. We spent watching birds and we are playing a lot. I had fun time with Mama and Papa. It was a memorable family outing. Bird sanctuary was a magical place. Wetland and lake are part of Harike, 60 kilometers from Amritsar. This place is must visit. Keep watching for my channel for such beautiful videos. Like, share and subscribe. Press the bell button. Bye. Thanks for watching.